This girl got me walking through a damn illegal crossing. Right now, Janna is planning on her new frame she is going to build right here. Today I was pretty excited. In the stream room, right? Because we're going to get some Janna live streams while she's making rugs. Super excited. I'm going to zoom in on her because this camera's crazy. It's super early. It's like 7 in the morning. We're going to go to Home Depot right now. What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? Decided to just bust out the camera. This is the new camera. I hope I look fucking nice. I don't know what my hair looks like. We're going to Home Depot and then maybe we'll smoke some weed. We're going to live stream this build of the frame that's going to go on right here. So again, links in the description if you want to check them out. We live stream usually 4 or 5 times a week. And I hope to see you guys there. Let's go to Home Depot. Shady van, blocking my view.
Look at that barbecue.
Dude, that barbecue probably cooks the glizzies,
That
baby.
barbecue definitely cooks glizzies.
The glizzy gladiator just fucking pulled up. We're at Home Depot, guys. Let's fucking go. Alright, what do we need?
Straight. All the way straight. Do you want me to just pull the car?
What up, guys? We just got our lumber. Stay tuned. It's about to turn into a frame. Be right back.
Little post office run. Because we got to get the Jimtanna stuff out to you. If you don't know, guys, we sell tons of smoking accessories. A lot of dabbing accessories, honestly. Quartz nails, pearls, little pearl grabbers, temperature readers, all kinds of shit. Oh, man, maybe it's closed? Oh, well, you're going to have to wait a little longer for your fucking package, huh? We'll come back later today. That's super weird. But go to Jimtanna.com. You know, we ship out packages every single day, and we'd love to get you some stuff, man. We got merch, rugs, fucking wood. I got it all. All right, let's go film this shit. Oh shit, with the butter in the garlic now, baby. Oh damn. Let's fucking go. We're gonna cook this sauce down. This fucking thing's getting a little too bubbly. Calm down, bubbly bitch. It's fucking going. The sauce is going, okay? We got the ground beef going. Noodles is on. I'm flustered. I did too much at once, but we're clutching right now. We're gonna clutch, alright? Finished product coming up soon. I'm just gonna eat it out this giant pot, because fuck you. No, I'm kidding, but looks pretty fucking good.
That's cool.
We care about our hair, but not that much.
It's good. Happy time.
Watching some Shark Tank. We're about to go on a walk. You want to go on a walk?
Yeah, walk time.
Oh.
Leash.
No. I know where the leash is. I know where the leash is. All right, come on. Let's go for a walk. Dude, fit check today.
Ready for school. Let's go.
All right, let's hope it's not too muddy. We're going on a little trail. Janna's got boots on. We got no socks and some fucking free runners.
She's like, let me eat the grass. I'm a cow.
Up we go.
This is the other hill.
Hi.
A happy girl. Look at little berries.
Janna, I don't want you to look at the berries. Look at the berries. This tree got fucked up.
Yeah.
Damn, those are a lot of berries right there. I'm not eating this.
No, dude.
Those are sus. This girl got me walking through a damn illegal crossing.
No, it's not. That's illegal on that side.
Oh. Borders, all right? This is borders education,
Borders,
right?
no illegal crossing.
Legal, illegal. It's completely legal, guys. I'm not breaking the law in this YouTube video. YouTube, if you age restrict this, you suck.
This is where I used to take her off and shove here. But I don't have any treats, so we're not doing that. There's no...
Little birds.
There's no
Can we see the
way
bird?
to get it off.
Little birdie in there. Little bird right there. I know you see it. Zoom is ridiculous.
Sometimes when I come here with Murphy and Jen. We let them run off leash all the way to the end.
Nice. Bunch of little birds right here.
Yeah. All the
Oh,
little
so many little birds. Look at right
They
in front of
dig
you.
through there to go to the other stuff.
Yeah.
Same with this
They
whole
fucking murked all this shit though for some new apartments. They fucking murdered all this. All this is supposed to be like a preserved nature preserve, wild habitat like preservation. And they're like, nah, they'll give us that paper, baby. And they sold this part. They're like, fuck these birds. They said, fuck these birds. Look what they did.
Yeah, it sounds nice.
Fuck them birds, man. That's crazy.
Look at the water right there. See it?
Yep.
They're starting to flood that
In a little lake area.
And then there's the BMX trail right here.
Well, it'll be a good view for whoever gets these fucking apartments.
Yeah.
Fucking juice lords. They're gonna be like, yo, nature preserve, dude, I'm all about it.
Right.
Meanwhile, your fucking house
Was a nature
murdered 8,000 fucking birds. Get rolled.
and bunnies and squirrels and other habitat things.
Oh, they got shit on humans with another fucking dub. Oh, whoa. Look at this crazy shit, guys. What the fuck? Birds. Look, are we is this humans clowning the birds too? Yeah, what the fuck?
We don't need to, well, I usually come back this way, but we come up the steps. Go down there, it's really fun.
That's wild.
You want to?
You can go anywhere you want. I'm following you. Just be careful.
This way. Go this way. On the berm.
What the fuck? Definitely where kids come smoke weed, for sure. Definitely some kids over here fucking smoking weed on the regular. Bunch of little stoners hanging out here. Yep, there's shit everywhere. This is crazy.
Look at over there too. There's like a drop off.
It's nuts. Nice. That big one?
Yeah, this one right here. You just go to the left of it and then go down. And it gets real, especially in the morning or at sunset. Because the sun comes from there. So all the water will be like pink sometimes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, on all the photos. Yep.
And there used to be a tire swing right here, but it's gone.
Yeah. No tire swing. It's GG's. Bam. Catalina all the way in the back. Let's see if we can.
And then there's a little ledge right here you can see down.
That island right there is Catalina. Crazy. That's how fucking good the zoom is. That's nuts. Absolutely nuts. All right, let's continue this motherfucking hike. You're on a hike with us right now. If you're still here, you should take a bong rip or a dab right now. Perfect time to take a dab or a bong rip.
Don't trash your beaches. There was a weed one somewhere. I've seen a weed one before. So it goes down to where those dead trees are. No, that's poop.
That's poop today. Little spot right here. Smoke a joint. Look at a little pipe. You know what I mean?
Sometimes you get a coyote down there.
Fire pipe action.
You see the coyote path that goes up.
Yep.
They run that all the time because this is close to the water. You can go all the way down right there if you want. It's a nice little edge. Has a lot of color.
It's another great part in the YouTube video to smoke a bong hit or take a dab. It's so clear out. I'm like maxed zoom and it's so crystal clear.
Yeah, you can see PCH.
It's nuts. Hope you guys are enjoying the little hike right now. We're gonna keep going.
Look at the golden retriever right there. Good girl.
If anybody wants to take this same little walk, this is where we visited today. Feel free to check it out. It's pretty dope.
$1.39 million plays.
On the biggie one?
Almost 1.4 million plays on the Biggie Road.
Nice. All right, guys, we're going to end the video. We're going to get out of here. Jana's taking a little dab to end this off, and we appreciate you being here. Hit the like, hit a comment. See you guys on the next one. Later.